So let's first understand how we drive our vehicle, and if we able to understand how we drive it, probably we could able to say that qualitatively how much power and the torque is required by the motor. So let's discuss one trip. Basically, let's say I am working for last 6 months and I got really bored at my home and decided to go at the mountain. So in the morning I get in the car and then started driving. As soon as I came out of my what I call apartment, I face the city traffic, and then I'm waiting to turn this red signal green. As soon as it turned green, I would like to accelerate my vehicle 0 to 100 kmph in 9 seconds. So this is the first driving mode where every users or every persons try to achieve it. Now I came out of the city and now I am on the highway, and where I am going for, let's say, 3 hours continuously at max speed, which is 150 kmph, and this is the second driving mode which I am going into. Now I am reached to the mountain, and what happens in all typical cases, the car is completely loaded. Generally we go with the friends and family, and inside the car there are 4 or 5 people, and also the boot space or the trunk space completely filled with the clothes and the foods. So it is a completely loaded car, and then in this condition my car should climb to the steepest road, and the general or the typical angle of gradient of road in hilly area, by regulation it should be around 12 degree, but we may face this gradient around 22 degree. So in this condition also my vehicle should able to climb. So this is a third driving modes where we and all the users actually like to go for it. Now, so in order to go to the top of the mountain, we have to drive almost, for an example, depending upon the case, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer in the hilly area or hilly roads. And the road condition, what is something like it will be continuous gradient of 5 degree as per the regulations. And here we want to go for a constant speed, for an example 60 kmph or 70 kmph for continuous for, let's say, 1 hour or 2 hour. So in this condition, the power or the torque required by the motor will be relatively high when we go on the flat road with the same speed. So this is the fourth driving mode, and typically on an average all the people 90 or 95% will be coming or will be seeing this four driving modes.